Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Week 3. There's this cute place in Yorkdale, Christmassy. Not that, like, you can have photo ops there. I know, she's just crying. Sorry there's a baby kid crying. It's such a cute little place. And there's Jessica, say hi. Subscribe to her too. I think that's it. See, it's so pretty. Santa's winter garden. Okay, bye-bye. So we're at Cheesecake Factory for lunch. Oh. So there's the bread and butter. Smells good. Appetizer, I got cream and chicken soup and calamari. Our fave. Oh my gosh, the combo that we're having right now, it's too deep. I'm about to cry. No, I'm about to cry, but I feel like my heart feels heavy. Okay, anyway, I got a flatbread margarita pizza, Caesar salad, and then she also got a margarita.
She copied me.
I did. I'm sorry, girl. So I got a Cinnabon cheesecake for dessert to go because we're both real full. And then I'm also gonna try some of Jessica's Florence cheesecake. That looks really good too. Yum! And then there's leftovers. There you go, Mom, Kuya, and Dad. You guys are gonna be happy. The food's really good here. I rate it. Oh wait, this is my first time in Cheesecake Factory. I think I rate it. I thought it was pretty good. I'd say 9 out of 10. How much would you rate it, Jessica?
The experience or the food?
The food.
7.
7? How about the experience then?
Maybe like an 8.
Yeah? I mean, the one that made it is like us talking and stuff.
Pretty much.
We're gonna leave here probably at 1 because we're gonna go to one more place and then dip. Yeah, the Cinnabon cheesecake is so good. Here, let's have a little mukbang, guys. Cheesecake is my favorite food, or dessert. I never tried Cinnabon one, but yesterday at work, it was a Ukrainian holiday, and one of my coworkers gave me a red velvet cheesecake slice and a bunch of other snacks, like chocolates and fruits and stuff. It was really yummy. So I had cheesecake two days in a row. So I'm happy. And then some whipped cream. Okay, that's pretty much it. I guess I'm gonna go and we'll see what else happens today. Okay, bye bye. Okay guys, I am so full. Like, I don't know how I'm gonna do an 8-hour shift, like, being so soaked. And then I feel like I have a food coma and I have to drive home and then drive back to my workplace. At least tomorrow I have a day off. So that's why I chose to, we were supposed to go to here last Thursday, but there was a snowstorm in Toronto. So we just rescheduled for this week. And then tomorrow she has work, so then I thought it's okay to meet up Tuesday because even last Sunday I was up to 6:30. Like I woke up 6:30 because I had church, and then I went to Sherwood Gardens and then my work, and that was okay. But yeah, it was still tiring. But thankfully, like yesterday, Monday, I just like slept and I stayed in bed till 11, and then got ready, and then went to Sherwood Gardens again. And then I saw Romaine, so hi Romaine, if you're watching.
Gift cards.
What?
They don't have gift cards.
Really?
Yeah.
So what will you do?
Like, I used to need a machine that don't get things.
Okay, bye guys. We're gonna pay now. Okay, so I'm at Montana's with my mom. I got the 4-cheese spinach dip with pita and tortilla chips. And then she got the lunch trio. So it comes with a soup, hot roast soup, a garden salad with balsamic, and a pulled pork sandwich with coleslaw. Yummy! And then for dessert, we got a cookie skillet with ice cream. It looks so yummy. I haven't had this in like maybe 2 years. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, so I wanted to do a little haul of things I bought this week. So I went to Yorkdale with Jess, and then I only bought one thing, plus you know, we went to Cheesecake Factory, as you guys saw. And then I got these socks from Garage. They have the cutest little purple butterflies. So I think it'll be nice to wear with like leggings. And then a purple sweater or top. Like, that'll be so pretty. Oh my gosh. If you can't tell, purple is my favorite color. Okay, next thing, I went to Kitchen Stuff Plus with my mom after we went to Montana. So I got these cutie little vases that I'm gonna put flowers in. Have to unwrap it. It's so cute, and it was only... Okay, my work called me in the middle of filming that. I don't even know what I finished off saying. Okay, well, I got these cute little vases. Even though it's Christmassy, to be honest, I want to keep it year-round. So I got 2 of these. The other one is wrapped, so I think I'm gonna put some fake flowers in it. Like, it's so cute. Like, it's frosted glass, and then it has little bells. So precious. Okay, anyways, I don't know where I'll put it in my room, but I've been putting Christmas decorations here and there. Like, I have a light up Christmas tree over there, and then if you can see, I have those 2 squishmallow ornaments hanging on my curtain rod. I even have one hanging on my necklace, little thing that I hold my necklaces. Anyways, so next place is I went to Shoppers Drug Mart for a few things. Got this because I'm a nurse and I don't have any small hand sanitizers. I either don't know where it went because I brought some to Philippines and have no idea where we left it. Like, it could be in my mom's room, could be in my bag, my travel bag that I use. I can't find it, so I got a new one, and I can hang this on my bag because it comes with a holder. Yeah, so I just got that, Shoppers Drug Mart. And I also got a O'Keefe's Working Hands Cream. It relieves extremely dry, cracked hands because since I'm working, I keep washing my hands so much that even after I put lotion, it's still dry. Even though, like, I let it sit and stuff. So I tried this Ganina when I was in the car. And I think it's pretty good quality because it's not scented and it's not greasy and it's hypoallergenic. So I like it so far. The last thing that I bought this week was the Urisin Aquaphor Lip Repair Stick. So it's fast and long-lasting relief for dry, chapped, cracked lips. If you can't tell, there's a theme. Winter is very drying, so I got that. And because I normally just use Vaseline, but so then if I use this one, I don't have to put my hands in. It stays clean. Okay, that's all for my little haul. Bye! See, look, it looks so cute. I'm gonna put the vases in 2 separate places in my room, but I just wanted to show you guys what flowers I put inside. Oh my! Hello, Ima, and my grandparents in the picture there. Okay, that's all. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you aren't already. And thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and God bless. Bye!